What makes the R programming language a cornerstone in today's data-driven world? The answer lies in its robustness, versatility, and its ability to handle complex statistical computations. But how does one navigate this powerful language? A roadmap is indeed necessary. First on the roadmap is the basics of R programming. This is the foundation, the starting point. It involves understanding the syntax, variables, and data types. It's like learning the alphabet before forming words. Here you'll encounter vectors, matrices, lists, and data frames. These are the basic data types that you will use throughout your journey with R. Next, you'll take a leap into the world of conditional statements and loops. These are the building blocks of any programming language, and R is no different. If-else, switch, for, while, and repeat loops will become part of your vocabulary. They will allow you to control the flow of your code and to perform repetitive tasks efficiently. Thirdly, you'll dive into functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. They are your tools, your helpers. You'll learn not only how to use built-in functions, but also how to write your own. This will enable you to perform complex tasks with just a few lines of code. The fourth stop on your journey is data manipulation. Data is the lifeblood of any data-driven endeavor, and R provides a variety of ways to manipulate it to suit your needs. You'll learn how to use packages like dplyr and tidyr to filter, arrange, group, and summarize data. Next, you'll explore data visualization. With R's powerful ggplot2 package, you can create stunning visualizations. From histograms to scatter plots, box plots to heat maps, you'll learn how to tell a story with your data. The sixth step involves statistical analysis. ER was built by statisticians for statisticians. You'll delve into descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, regression analysis, and more. You'll also learn how to test your hypotheses and interpret the results. Last but not least, you'll learn about machine learning. R has a wealth of packages for machine learning, including Random Forest, E1071, and Caret. You'll learn how to build predictive models, evaluate their performance, and fine-tune them for optimal results. To summarize, the roadmap for learning R starts with understanding the basics, followed by mastering control structures and functions. Then you'll dive into data manipulation and visualization, followed by statistical analysis. Finally, you'll round off your journey with machine learning. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. This roadmap is not a strict itinerary, but a guide to help you navigate the world of R programming. And as with any journey, the most important thing is to enjoy the ride. So buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of R programming.